Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don donate 150 motorcycles to members of Edo State Security Vigilante Network (ESSVN) so that they go improve security situation for the state. The governor can hand over the motorcycle to the coordinator of ESSVN, Colonel Cole Omomia, retired, for Government House, Benin City. Oga Obaseki con tok say the motorcycle na to enable members of ESSVN fit reach those areas where they not fit reach and provide security for Edo people, and say make them accept the motorcycle on behalf of the Edo State government.
Where's money? We are handing over 150 motorcycles for members of the Edo State Vigilante Network to enable them access remote areas for providing security to our people in Edo State. Please accept these motorcycles on behalf of the state government.
Commissioner for Local Government and Chieftaincy Affairs, Honorable Monday Osagbovo, can also hand over 18 Sienna buses to ESSVN and say na the Association of Local Government of Nigeria (ALGON) Edo State branch buy the 18 Sienna bus to support ESSVN.
18 Sienna buses purchased by the Association of Local Governments (ALGON) to support Edo State Government Security Network. We'll hope that as we are getting more IGRO, as His Excellency has directed us to face the IGRO, we will also be raising some funds to buy more. But today, we are giving a team to support Edo State Government Security Network.
Colonel Cole Omomia, retired, contrary salute to the governor and ALGON for the donation and say him and his men go use the buses at the motorcycle weller to improve security for the state.
His Excellency has donated bikes to the Edo State Security Network. We rest assured, sir, Your Excellency, that we are going to make judicious use of it. Most of the places where the vehicles cannot go to, we rest assured, His Excellency, that the bikes will surely go there. And we are going to reduce crime and criminality to the barest minimum in Edo State. We rest assured, His Excellency.
Make na know say, as we see am, na so we dey take am, we no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Balumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.